What's going on, everybody? My name is Spooky Monster here with a brand new video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to play 3D games on your PC. So let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is head over to this website called Citra. The links will be in the description down below, so make sure to check it out. We'll be downloading Citra first, and then another program called 7zip. So first thing you want to do here is go over to the right side and hit download. Scroll down. Look for the Windows version and download that one. After that, you want to scroll down again and hit the download yellow button. You see it's already done downloading. Now you went over to 7zip and download the 64-bit. So once you have those two, make sure to install first the 7zip. I already have it installed, so go ahead and do that yourself. Now we're gonna head over to the folder we just downloaded, and I'm gonna put it in my desktop. So once you have that, you want to create a new folder. You can call it anything you want. I'm gonna call it 3DS Emulator, or EMU for short. So you want to open up folder over here, which is download. Open it up, and you want to drag everything in that folder to the new folder we just created. So once you have that, you don't need that anymore, you can throw it away. You want to open it up and open up Citra Qt. It'll be a little bit different because I was already playing everything like that, you know. So you want to add your games. People are gonna ask me, "Oh, where do you get the ROMs? Where do you get the 3D games?" You gotta Google it yourself because I can't tell you. Make sure you download the games you already own for your 3DS because it's illegal to get games that you don't own. So once you open it up, you want to add your game file. We have all your games for the 3DS. So you can see mine's on the desktop. So I'm going to load that folder up. And I have only one game. So let's fire it up. So double click on the game. So you can see it's loading. If you have any questions, any concerns, or how to add controllers to play the game, make sure to comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe for new videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.